Hello, my name is Sideward, and today we have the PAPIFEED Smart Pet Feeder with two-way splitter here to showcase. I'm super excited because this is my first one I've ever owned, and me and my wife are extremely excited to try this out. We're going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to showcase in the future me how it looks and how the animals are growing accustomed to it and so forth. So right off the bat, place this here. We have the pet feeder right here. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. I'm going to zoom in on it for you really quick, so you can take a gander at it. This is it right here, and all the attachments are inside. Let's go ahead and get into it. Looks like everything was placed upside down. We're going to place this down for a minute, and we're going to take these out. Now at the bottom of this is where you would plug it in, right in here. And that's how it's gonna go. Here's another front view of it. Now on this, on the sides, you got these right here. You just push these both in and it lifts right up. And that's how that lifts, okay? I know my desk it's a bit of a mess right now, but you take this part right here. You see these two, you're just gonna fit them right in the front here. So you want this part facing out. So I'm going to show you this way. See how this is it? The round part is on the outside. So you just place that right in those two holes. And from there, you take this portion, which I'm going to turn around and face towards you. That's how it should look, facing towards you. And then you just sit this right on top. Like so. And there you go. There's that. You just got to make sure you snap it in, because there's these holes here right under there. You want to use these right there to go inside. So you're just going to place it in. And then that's how it should look, like that. The food will disperse from under here and then come out into the plates. So you have this open slot, and then you've got the open slot inside. You just match them together. So we're going to place it in. It goes in really pretty simple. It's going to finagle a little bit left and right. But boom. And there you go. And then as far as the rest of it, well, on top of that, the bowls all have this little groove right here. This groove will fit into this piece that you'd already placed. See them right there? Got them right in there. So you're literally going to take it and you're just going to slide it right in. See? Slides right in. Slides right in. Boom. And there you go. Put it together. And there you go. All put together. That's simple. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill it up with some food and see if I can find the phone app that you can actually use for this and try to control it, get it powered up, and see how the cats take a liking to it. One thing I did notice, though, is that the wiring is actually nice and threaded. Let me show you. See that? Nice and threaded. There's this portion here, the USB, and you've got the box for it as well. So there's something I forgot to mention as far as the cording and plugging in goes. So it goes in here, which is the piece that you're going to have to take apart, the bottom piece that you had already placed on. And that's how you're going to have to plug it in. So we're going to plug it in, but then you have a groove right in here. And it fits just like that, and it goes on the outside. So make sure, just know you're going to have to take it apart, which is very easy to do. You just pop it right off. You're good to go. But that's how it works, and it's going to be hanging off the back. So I am on Android, so you will be using the Smart Life app. And that's what I'm actually installing right now. And everything is in the instructions as well. Now, you can use batteries in this if you don't want to have it plugged in, or if you have it somewhere where there's no plug available. You can certainly put AA batteries in there as well. So once you've signed up with the app, you'll have a screen like this, where you'll add a device. We're going to be leaving it on the add device screen, and I'm going to go press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the feeder for about 3 seconds, and then it should prompt on here. And it does show that it is being added on the app. There we go. So it shows Smart Pet Feeder successfully added. And then this is the cool part. So on this, you do have it's on standby. You can set a timer, feed record, how many times you feed, etc. So I'm going to set up a timer and add a schedule for my pets, which I'll show you that as well. See, you got this right here. And once you save that, you've got it right there. So every day at 5 a.m. and then you can hit add again to add an additional. So we'll do another one for the afternoon. So now you've got the schedule set up every single day. Change, add, do whatever you want. And that's it. Now let's say I want to go ahead and feed them now. We're going to go ahead and try it out and see how it does. So we've got the app here. I'm going to go ahead and there's the feeder. We're going to hit feed. And there you go. It's that simple. So you saw how easy and convenient it can be, especially for those of you that are working all the time, very busy, you've got a full life, and you tend to forget exactly when to feed your fur baby. I get it. I get it 100%. Those of us like me, I'm always home. I already know what time to do it. But at the same time, when I'm working on other things, or if I happen to be out during the holidays, I want to make sure that my babies are fed. Okay. And this right here, knowing that I can just log into the app, tap feed, and they're already being fed is absolutely fantastic. Knowing I could do that away from home. On top of that, if I happen to forget to even do that, I know that those certain times on the schedule that I had provided are automatically going to feed them, which is a huge thing. Especially a couple of our babies have to be on a diet. So I have to only feed them a small portion at certain times of the day, and this helps with that as well. So I 100% recommend this product by PAPIFEED. Like, it's an absolute simplistic but yet intricate design, and I love it. The link to this product is in the description of this video. I do get a small portion commission from it, so it helps me out as well, but it's also going to help you and your fur babies as well. So please check it out. Thank you again for being here. Stay hydrated, stay cool and warm. Don't forget to subscribe. Sideward out.